Bullish Nexo cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $3.16 and $5.97 by 2030. Market experts accept Nexo could reach $2.46 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is 56 cents. Nexo presentation. Researchers learned one thing on account of the rise of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. We should take a gander at the coin outline prior to getting into a far-reaching value expectation of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by cryptographic forms of money through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these advances don't need a FICO rating makes them a helpful option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a quick advance in excess of 45 distinct government-issued types of money. Credit lines are quickly put aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their ledgers. Nexo key examination. In spite of being based on blockchain calculations, Nexo is very helpless and, as other digital currencies, is vigorously dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments Nexo offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. Nexo's cost moved from 55 cents to 98 cents during April and May 2018, a critical increment that proposed a huge degree of early financial backer premium. As per verifiable information, following the organization made its market debut in 2018. Notwithstanding, it showed basically level energy until September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had ascended past normal exchanging cost of 73 cents. However, it has since had a little pullback and has come back testing the typical cost of 50 cents level. Starting from the beginning of 2022, there has been no sign of a Nexo cost drop. As per Nexo's own insights, it oversees resources worth $80 billion and has multiple million endorsers overall spread across in excess of 200 nations. A sum of north of 40 huge cryptographic forms of money are upheld, including the Nexo token along with Bitcoin, Ether, X5000, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Albeit the rate is many times lower. Clients can procure up to 16% of premium on their collateralized resources. In a new perusing, TAI was procuring 12% APR, while BTC was creating 7%. Nexo has noteworthy trust pilot appraisals, but there are likewise plainly a few phony surveys blended in with the genuine ones. Nexo specialized examination. The cost of Nexo has a brilliant standpoint for the future since it depends on specialized investigation. Given its steady, unwavering quality, the Nexo cost expectation appears to be very hopeful proceeding. The Nexo value forecast is supposed to rise quickly long-term, as indicated by all suitable cost expectation information. Nexo is at present worth 70 cents USD. Nexo has moved 0.83% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,698,427. Nexo is at present positioned 100 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $372,663,604 USD. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Nexo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Nexo Value Forecast 2023. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Nexo cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $1.05. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 98 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of 84 cents. Nexo Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Nexo cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $1.76. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Nexo's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.40 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.54. Nexo Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.46 and Nexo might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.25 and a low of $2.11 in 2025. Nexo Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Nexo effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the NEXO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, NEXO will be green in 2026. The NEXO is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $3.16, with a base cost of $2.81 and a typical cost of $2.95. Nexo Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the NEXO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.65 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.51 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, NEXO has a greatest value worth of $3.86. Nexo Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.35. In the event that NEXO figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $4.56. Neglecting to accumulate the help NEXO needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $4.21. Nexo Value Forecast 2029. While NEXO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $4.92 and a yearly cost close above $5.27 in 2029. Nexo Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Nexo will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $5.62 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $5.97, averaging out at $5.76. Nexo Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest NEXO cost in 2031 is projected to be $6.88 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $6.60. And the cost of the Nexo currently doesn't foresee what it will cost tomorrow. How much, however, is subject to the variables that surface during the market's development and improvement stage. These components influence how a NEXO will foster from here on out. You could likewise explore the subject as another option. Token holders could assist you with concluding whether you're a first-time buy in this market. It is trying to foresee a cash's precise worth ahead of time because of the unstable idea of the cryptographic money market. A notable digital money that has so far been effective is NEXO. Nexo speculations can be savvy moves. Yet you ought to hold off on huge ventures until the market is in a down market. Keep up with attention to ongoing business sector changes, with the goal that you might pick astutely, monitor the different costs, supports, and obstruction levels.